Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. Today we are going to talk about structures. Well, you are going to use structures mostly in regards of R objects. And objects in R programming language is special subject. So for now we are going to deal only with basic nature of structures. And how you could actually understand structure, what structure actually is. It's an array with attributes. If you want to create some structure, you are going to assign value of function structure to variable, and I'm going to provide one array as first argument, let's say 1, 2 and 3, and now I'm going to add attribute. Let's call it AB, and we are going to provide it in the form of string. Let's call it hey, and now CD, and I'm going to call it hi. Okay, now if we want to print this value out, this is what we are going to get. We are going to get all of three elements from our array, plus attribute names and attribute values. Now, if you want, for example, to take only second element from this array, you are going to ask for a second element with these angle brackets. I'm going to save and run this. And yes, we have value 2. But if you want to print out value of attribute, you are going to use function attr, stands for attribute. First argument is going to be actual structure, and second argument is going to be name of attribute provided as string. And if I run this code, I'm going to get value from my attribute. If you want to assign another value to this attribute, you are going to do this in this way. And now I'm going to print value of this attribute. Save it, run it, and as you see, value of our attribute has changed. And now I'm going to show you much complicated example. I'm also going to call it a structure. We are going to provide a list in here as first argument. First column is going to be names. Let's say John and Mick. Second is going to be age. Let's say 35 and 42. But now outside of this list, I'm going to provide class. Is going to be data frame. And we are going to say so much more about this class optional argument in our episode about objects. For now, you could understand this as a setting of data type. So by using of this argument, we are able to change data type of this structure to data frame. And not only that, I could deal with names, but with .names argument in order to change these names of columns from our list. And now I'm going to change names into N and age into A. And not only that, I'm going to use another argument. Now row names, and I'm going to name my rows. I'm just going to enumerate them like this. Okay, I'm going to print all of this out. And finally, this is what we received. We have two columns named N and A, and two rows named 1 and 2. So guys, once again, we are going to use structures a lot with objects. But for now, they are useful only if you want to set some attribute to your list. Okay, so I hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!